Today on Little Kitchen Big Food, I'm going to show you how to make a steak. You ready? Let's go. Pretty simple. This isn't going to require much, bro. So we got to season it well. Kosher salt. And the key to salting a steak that's this thick, you want to make sure that it gets in there. It's just when you think it's too much salt, that's just right. Alright. Fresh ground black pepper. Make sure that's all in there. Literally, all this that's here on the cutting board, I'm going to season the whole thing. Alright, so it sits there. Rosemary, vacuum sealed steak, sous vide. We'll put it in there at 129 for about an hour. And I'll show you what we do next when that's done. So we'll see you in about an hour. You've taken it out, and this is what you have. Just a little smoke. You see, we're just gonna spoon this butter into the steak.